Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ifactner's Learn Urdu through English video tutorial series. In today's video tutorial, we are going to talk about the three short vowels in Urdu. And those three short vowels are Zabar, Pesh and Zair. Let's start our lesson. Ladies and gentlemen, as I have already told you that we have got three short vowels in Urdu. The first one is called Zabar. And Zabar comes on top of the letter. This is a letter and we have got Zabar on top of it. And I will tell you how different sounds are made when we use Zabar, Pesh or Zair on the letter. The second one is Pesh. So this is a letter and we have got Pesh on top of it. Pesh on top of a character. And the last vowel which we are going to discuss is called Zair. And Zair comes under the letter. It's just like Zabar, a slanting line, but it comes under the letter. Now, Zabar, when we use Zabar on a letter, then we got the sound of ah. Ah. When we use Pesh on a letter, then we got the sound of oo. Oo. And when we use Zair, then we get the sound of E, of A. Now let's use Zabar, Pesh and Zair on different Urdu characters of Urdu alphabet, and let's see how their sound changes with those short vowels. First we have got Alif. If we use Zabar on Alif, then it makes a sound of Ah. Alif Zabar Ah. And Alif Pesh is Oo. And Alif Zair makes the sound of E. Let's suppose we have got two letters Ab. So if Alif comes on top of if Zabar comes on top of Alif, then it's Ab. And let's suppose if Alif comes, if Pesh comes on top of Alif, then it's Alif Pesh U Ub. Ub. Alif Zabar Be Ab and Alif Pesh Be Ub. Similarly, Alif Zair Be is Ib. Ab, Ub, Ib. Now, we have got the second character of Urdu alphabet, which is Be. Be Zabar is Ba. And Be Pesh gives the sound of Boo of Bo. O ki sound. And Be Zair is B. Let's suppose we have got Bay and Bay. So Bay Zabar Bay is Bab. Bay Pesh Bay is Bub. And Bay Zair Bay is Bib. So, have you noticed that these three short vowels, Zabar, Pesh and Zair, changes the sound of a word of different letters. Let's take the third character of Urdu alphabet, which is Pe. Pe, Zabar gives the sound of Pa, and Pe, Pesh gives the sound of Po, of Poo, and Pe, Zair gives the sound of P, Papu P. And let's suppose we have got Pe and let's take another letter which is Te. Pe and Te. So Pe Zabar Te is Pat. Pe, Pesh, Te is Put. And Pe, Zair, Te gives the sound of Pit. Pat, Put, Pit. I would like to tell you one more thing, that these Zabar, Pesh and Zair comes in the beginning of the word or in the middle of the word, and they never come at the end of the word. Let's take the fourth letter, which is Te. Te, Zabar gives the sound of Ta. Te, Pesh gives the sound of Tu. And Te, Zair gives the sound of Ti. So we have got two letters in Alif. One is Te and the other is Te. 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 This is Te with soft T. Te. So let's suppose we have got a letter Titli. So we have Te, Zabar, Te. We have got two Te's in it, and Lam, Zair, छोटी ये ली. Te Zabar Te, Tit, और Lam छोटी ये ली, Tit Li. I have made a mistake. It's Titli, not Tatli. So Te Zabar Te is Tat. And it gives the sound of Tat. Te, Pesh, Te would be Tut. And Te, Zair, Te is Tit. So in Titli we have got Te, Zair, Te, Tit, Li. Lam, छोटी ये ली, Tit, Li. So it gives the sound of tit. This Pesh gives the sound of tutli. And if we use Zabar, then it would be tatli. So you see that for the uh, right word pronunciation, we should know if a Zabar comes on it, Pesh comes on it, or Zair comes uh, on a letter. And as an Urdu speaker, usually we don't use these short vowels, and it comes with the practice. So if you try to read the Urdu newspaper of a short story, then you will see that usually we don't use these zabar, pesh, or zer, but it comes with practice. You will see that when people talk and when people write, uh, and if you practice a lot, then you will be able to understand if zabar comes on a letter and where pesh is used in the word or zer comes under the letter, and you will be able to do it after a practice. Ladies and gentlemen, we will continue our lesson in the next tutorial. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.